This move is going to show you how to make the rectangular geared motor which is used in the Year 13 warehouse robot. We're going to start off by making a new design. And we're not going to worry about making a new component because this motor will just be one component. It's not going to have any moving parts on it. So we're going to go to the front work plane and just click here and do a sketch, and we'll do a 2-point rectangle there. Okay, type the letter D for dimensions. The height of the rectangle we'll set to 46, and the width of it across the bottom we'll set to 32. And that's the end of the sketch. Then I'm pressing down on the mouse wheel and just turning that to a bit of an angle, and I'm typing the letter E, and we'll extrude that. That's what the letter E was for. And we're going to pull that out 22 millimeters. There we go. And then just move this down the screen a bit, zoom in a bit, and we'll right click on here and we'll sketch a circle. There it is. And we'll D for diameter, and we'll make the diameter of that circle 30 millimeters. And then we want to locate it on the top end of that motor. So D for dimension again, type the letter D. Oops, that's 30. Okay, now we type the letter D. And we go from there to there. And that distance we're going to make 19 millimeters. And the distance from here to there we're going to make 9 millimeters. Okay, I think I might have the radius of that circle wrong. Yep, change that to 24 diameter. That's put it in the right place. Now we'll finish that sketch and we'll type the letter E, we'll click on there, and we'll take this bit of the circle too, and we'll extrude that up there, and I think that's possibly where we wanted the 30. Okay. Right, now we're going to start drawing on this surface. Sketch. And we'll start putting some circles on there. Just tidy that up. Go on there. One circle. Another circle. Another circle. And another circle. Okay, now D for dimension. And we're going to set the diameter of the circles to 7 millimeters. So here we go for this one. Oh, it's already 7, that's nice. Oh, not quite. 7 millimeters. Now, we're going to set the diameter of this circle, and instead of typing anything in there, we're just going to click in here. And it's going to take this diameter number 10 and use that. So this is fixed at 7, which is the same as that. Same with this one. We'll click in there again, hit enter, and same with this one. We'll click in there and hit enter. Now if I want to change all 4 of those circles, I just have to change that one and all the rest will just go with it. We'll do a similar thing with positioning these circles. So type D again, we'll go there, there, and we'll make that distance be 6. We will go there and there, and we'll click on the 6 and hit enter. Here and here, click on the 6, enter, and here and here, click on the 6 and enter. Here and here, click on the 6 and enter. Here and here, click on the 6 and type enter. Here and here, that one is 5. Same with this one. There, there, that one is 5. Okay, so we've got those circles drawn, so we'll finish that sketch. And then we'll type the letter E, and we'll extrude all 4 of these circles. Bring them up this way. And the distance they're going to come up is 2 millimeters. So we'll change that 6 there to a 2 and hit enter. And then we'll just go back front on again. And we'll right click on here and we'll do a sketch, and we're going to project these circles. And we'll finish the projection, and what that means is that when we go to draw our circles now, we can lock onto the centre here. Draw another circle, lock onto the centre of this one, another circle, lock onto the centre of that one, and lock onto the centre of that one, and then we can type the letter D, make this one 3 millimeters in diameter. Then we can do this one, type the letter D, make it 3, this one, 3, and this one, 3. Okay, so we've now finished that sketch. Do this, and we'll type the letter E for extrude, select that one, that one, that one, that one, and we're going to push them down that way, and we're going to go down -2 millimeters, -2, and type enter. Now we'll right click on this surface, do another sketch, and we're going to do another circle. We'll just turn that around nicely, put our circle about there, type the letter D. The diameter of that circle is going to be 13, and then we're going to be 15 up there, and 16 there is right. And we've finished that sketch. Type E, lift that up, we're only going to come up 1 millimeter, and then we'll draw a sketch on here. So going to be a circle, but first I think I will go project. I'm going to type the letter P, project that circle into there, and then we'll get the circle tool and go there, that diameter is going to be 6. Just make sure we're looking straight at it. Then I'm going to get the line tool, go from here down there, and I'm going to get the dimension tool and make that distance from there to there 1mm. Then the trim tool, and that sketch is finished. Turn that on a bit of an angle, type the letter E, up we come up there, and that is going to come up 14. Now we're going to turn over onto the back, and we're going to go modify and select a chamfer. We're going to do it on these 3 sides. We want 2 distances here. You can go equal or 2, and this first distance we're going to go 1mm, and this next one we're going to do 6mm. So that's done. Now we can come back here and we're going to go modify, fillet. All of those will make a radius of 2mm. And then we'll go fillet again. All that will do 1mm. Then we go fillet again. And all of those we'll fillet by 0.5 of a millimetre.